Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a black background in Davinci Resolve. So let's jump right into the video, and if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate that a lot. Now, let me show you what you have to do. So there's two ways. One way when you select the video and then you select here, click on transform. Now, if you zoom in, okay, you can do it from here as well. Make sure you enable this panel, inspector panel. You can do it as well, and you already have background, black background behind your photo or video. But you can also go to enable effect, this panel, and then here go to generators, and then texture background, okay, and drag it all under your video. And now we have something here, okay, here, but it's not black, right? So what you have to do is just go to gradient. You can here select the colors, and then here you can change the color to black, to white, or black, okay? Or you can go here and then go here to controls, and right over here we need to drag this down and brightness down, okay? And now select the image, and you can add your image or video. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you and take care.